Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Star Higher Secondary School online class. Class 6, Subject Physical Science, Chapter 5, Lesson name Separation of Substances. Students, last class we saw introductions. Next we will discuss about methods of separations. Methods of separations. What are the methods are used to separate the substances? There are 4 types: hand picking, threshing, winnowing and sieving. First we will see hand picking. What is mean by hand picking? Hand picking is used to separation of technique. Hand picking is used to separation techniques. It is used to remove the unwanted impurities by hand. Unwanted impurities by hand. Students, this is example for you. This is the grain and unwanted impurities. This method is hand picking. Only picked by hands. Only picked up by hands. This is the hand picking method. Next we will see threshing. Next we will see threshing. What is mean by threshing? Threshing is the to separate the grain from stalks. To separate the grain from stalk. Grain means நெல்லத என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படினா grain சொல்லுவாங்க. Stalks அப்படினா வைக்கோல். What is that? வைக்கோல்ஸ். So இந்த stalksல இருந்து grain எப்படி செப்பரேட் பண்றது தான் threshing. To separate the grain from stalks. This is the known as the threshings. Harvesting. Harvesting means gathered. Harvesting means அறுவடை. What is that? அறுவடை. Paddy. Paddy means இங்கிலீஷில் பேடி, தமிழில் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க நெல் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தட் இஸ் த பேடி, தட் இஸ் த ஹார்வெஸ்டிங். தட் இஸ் த ஹார்வெஸ்டிங். ஸ்டூடெண்ட், திஸ் இஸ் த threshing methods. First, have you seen bundle of wheat or paddy? So yes, this is the bundle of wheat or paddy. The paddy stalks lying in field. Field means நிலம். Field after harvesting the crop. நிலத்துல இருந்து harvesting அப்படின்னா அறுவடை செஞ்சு எடுத்துட்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் stalks are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. So the stalks அப்படின்னா தண்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இந்த வைக்கோல் இருக்கு, அந்த தண்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா stalks are dried in the sun before the grain is separated from them. அந்த ஸ்டாக்ஸ்ல இருந்து கிரைன்ஸ் தனியாக செப்பரேட்டாக வெளியில் வர வரைக்கும் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க அப்படின்னா அதை சன்னில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, ட்ரை பண்ணுவாங்க, காய வைப்பாங்க. Each stalk has many grain from them. Each stalk has many grain from them. Each stalk has many grain seeds attached to it. Imagine the number of grain seeds in hundreds of bundles of stalk lying in the field. You guess it? No. How does the farmer separate the grains? This method is threshings. அந்த bundle of wheat or paddy stalks இருக்குல்ல, அதை என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, எடுத்து ஸ்டோனில் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அடிப்பாங்க. அடிக்கும்போது அது என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா டு செப்பரேட் த கிரெயின் சீட்ஸ். டு செப்பரேட் த கிரெயின் சீட்ஸ். தட் இஸ் த threshing method. That is the threshing method means it is used to separate the grain from stalks. This is known as a threshing. This is known as the threshing. Next we will see winnowing. What is that? Winnowing. What is mean by winnowing? Winnowing is a forming method. Winnowing is a forming method. Winnowing is a forming method. It is developed by a people for separating the grain. Developed by a people for separating the grain. Separating grain from chaff. What is meant by chaff? Chaff means பதர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சின்ன சின்னதாக தூள் தூளாக இருக்கும், அது தானே சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா பதர். ரொம்ப this is the minute small substances, that is the padar, chaff. In its simplest form, it involves throwing the mixture into the air so that the wind blows away the lighter chaff. The heavier grains fall back down for recovery. So for example, you see that winnowing method. Student, this is the winnowing method. It is the winnowing methods. In its simplest form, it involves throwing the mixture into the air. So this is the what is that? This is the grain. What is that? Grain and mixed with the chaff. Mixed with the chaffs. How to separate the grain? How to separate the grain and soft? First one is the direction of air. எந்த பக்கம் ஏரோட லெவல் இன்க்ரீஸாக இருக்கோ அந்த பக்கம் டர்ன் பண்ணி நின்னுட்டோம். So that the wind blows away the lighter chaff. So wind அப்படின்னா எந்த பக்கம் காற்று அடிக்குதோ அந்த பக்கம் this is the husk and soup and padar, chaff. These substances are removed. Only fall down into the grain. Only fall down into the grain. This is the winnowing method. This is the winnowing method. The heavier grains fall back down. The heavier grains fall back down. Remaining things are separate them. Remaining things are separate the substances. It for recovery. It for recovery. This is the winnowing method. This is the winnowing method. Next we will see sieving method. What is that? Sieving method. Sieving method is a process. Sieving method is a process by which fine particles, what is meant by fine particles? Small things. Fine particles are separated from bigger particles. By using sieving method. So sieving method means, sieving is a process by which fine particles are separated from bigger particles. Fine particles means small particles are separated from bigger particles by using sieving method. It is used in a flour mill or at construction field. What is that? It is used in a flour mill or at construction sites. In flour mill, impurities like husk. What is mean by husk? You know husk? That is the small substances. Husk means small substances. சின்னதா கண்ணுக்கு தெரியாம இருக்கும். So that is the husk. And in construction field, what is that construction field? For example, in construction field, pebbles and stones are removed by sand by sieving. நீங்க பார்த்திருப்பீங்க, மணல்லாம் சலிச்சு எடுப்பாங்க இல்லையா வீடு கட்டும்போது. So pebbles and stones, sandல இருக்கிற some of the pebbles and stones என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா to removed by a sand by sieving method. That is the sieving method. Students, this is the methods of separations. What are the four methods? First one is the hand picking. Second one is the, what are the methods? Second method is the threshing. Third one is the winnowing. Fourth one is the sieving. These are the four methods are used to separate the substances. Students, I have attached one assignment for this topic. Separation of substances and methods of separations க்கு ஒரு assignment attach பண்ணிருக்கேன் PDF file. So all of you see this PDF file and write homework in your home. Revise the daily portions and write classwork students. The next, I have attached one videos for this methods of separation. All of you watch this video. Thank you students.